How to apply a gradient to multiple objects in Adobe Illustrator. So we've got this jellyfish here, and I want to make a gradient that applies to all of these bits. Luckily they're the same colour, so they're easy to select. We just select one of them, go to Select, Same, Appearance, and that's them all selected. I'm just going to group these all with Ctrl G so they're easier to select later. Now if I just click on Gradient, it applies to them all individually and not as one whole piece. So let's fix that. Ctrl Z to undo. We're going to fix this using a compound path. Go to Object, Compound Path, Make. Now you'll see if I click Gradient, it applies to the whole thing. Perfect. Subscribe.